Today we'll talk about how can you enable mirror on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on settings, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go down, you keep going down here. So then you come here to mirror, click on here. So then here can you enable mirror in this list here like you see on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I give it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.